and please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
Look at that. What a beautiful sight to behold. A beautiful pork chop, 265 baht, and a Leo in Udon Thani. A bit of barking going on last night. I don't know if a new dog has moved in. Do you hear in? Now then, where are we? I'm on my last full day in Udon Thani. I've enjoyed it here immensely, and I'm also pleased with myself for the way I've been handling the alcohol intake. Don't get me wrong, I have been drinking. I've had a few in the afternoon and gone out in the evening, but not that dog again, but not lost control and been stupid. And it's paying off when I've been waking up and feeling fresh. Last night I met a nice girl, had a few drinks with her. Very, very nice and friendly. Cracking experience. I might put a picture up. Last night I bumped into Chuck from No Time to Be Sad in the Irish Clock. I had a chat with him for a few minutes. Nice guy. He's got a big channel. Just said alright to him and whatever. He wants to make me an opening for my channel. I also had a cracking steak last night at the meeting point, I think it's called, but if it's not I'll correct that. At the end of Soy Sampan, take a left, the restaurant there. What a cracking pork steak and chips and veg. It was huge. 200 and odd baht. The best meal I've had since I've been in Thailand. Thoroughly enjoyed that. What a cracking meal. In fact, I might get another one tonight. I enjoyed it so much. So I'm a bit late today, just been chilling. It looks a little bit overcast out there, which is better. I'm going to go out capless today, and I'm going to get some breakfast. I'm going to have a wander around and explore for a while, and then late on this afternoon I'm going to go down to Nong Pratak Lake, I think it's called, and have a look around there, see what that's like. So enjoyable in Udon Thani, enjoyable even though you don't have to knock back all them beers. Meeting girls, chatting, having fun. You do not need all that beer to have a good time. So stop waffling, Owen, you're getting carried away. To be honest, these shoes, they're a bit lucky now. Apart from the first couple of days when they had blisters, they've served me well. They've served me well. But I need a little brush. I'm going to try and buy a little brush today to give them a scrub, clean them up. Highlight of the day, buying a scrubbing brush. I know how to live life to the full. There's no one here. There's a little tilak cat. Hello, tilak. I can give you this. Thank you. Today have rain or not? Front top? Money front top? No? No, okay. There you are. You heard it from the tilak's mouth. It's not going to rain today. It's a bit cloudy though to me. So I'm outside, sat outside the Irish Clock. Hello, hello. Thank you. I can just have the full English and the egg. You can do the egg well done. Very hard. Yeah, okay, thank you. And I will have coffee, please. So I've ordered myself full English, 160. Don't know what it'll be like, it should be alright. It's warm, but it's very, very overcast. in 2019, me and the old dog had our Christmas dinner at that table there, watched by the girl that worked here. She was hanging around all the time. She's a friendly girl. I'll put a little clip in now. I kept in touch with her for a while, just chatting, but then as things always do in Thailand, you lose touch, people move on. Beef for me.
Đính.
I'll have Leo, please.
Draft. Heineken draft.
Oh, Heineken, I know that, but I have Guinness.
No Guinness, no.
Yeah, I know.
It's Christmas Day. I've got a San Miguel White condom, I've got a Leo beer. The doctor has got a pint of Heineken before I pan up. He told me this morning, that he wasn't drinking any beer. He's on pints already, and we move up to the doctor. Any thoughts about Christmas Day in Udon Thani?
Well, the day's been rubbish because I've been led astray. I didn't want to drink today, but all I got from Owen, oh, go and have one, go and have one, go and have one. I feel like rough, and now I'm on my third.
Cracking cup of coffee, that, really strong, nice and creamy as well. Very nice. Cheers. Beautiful. And Guinness is back on now. You don't believe me, do you? Yeah? Guinness is back on now. The old Rab likes Guinness, but it's not for me. I've only in my life maybe had 2 pints of the stuff. Not for me. So that's the old breakfast. Standard. I don't know, I always put the beans in a little dish, but they do. 2 slices of toast, marmalade, and looks like a well cooked sausage and bacon, tomatoes, and I think it's soda bread or something, but it looks nice, looks good. Perfection. Beautiful bit of toast with marmalade, absolutely beautiful. Can't find any faults whatsoever with this breakfast. The best one I've had possibly in Thailand, possibly. Very, very nice. The sausage, beautiful, really tasty. So, can't grumble at that all. Really enjoyed that. As I've enjoyed my time here in Udon Thani. What about the expats that I've met? Well, obviously they're all older guys. 90% of them are older guys, 70s, 80s, and I can honestly say been friendly. You know, they don't go out of their way to approach you. How are you doing? All right. But if you go and sit in a bar and nod at them and speak, you have a conversation with them. I met 3 or 4 guys during the afternoon when I've been having a beer and sat in a conversation. Obviously, I'm not going to point my camera all the time. You know, sometimes I don't feel like filming. It's not right. You're chatting to someone, sticking a camera on them. But yeah, I've met some nice, friendly expats who live here. Would I live here? I think it'd be third on my list. Hua Hin, Chiang Mai, and then here. Third on my list. Alright, tea son. Yeah, 10 out of 10. Very good. You make? You cook? No, you just... Ah, okay. Very good. Tomboy. The local. I think she's a tomboy. Nice. So I'm going to have a wander around. I'm going to try and find... I think it's near Udon town. It's like some... like bronze horses. And then when I can find that area, further down the road, there's like a bit of a market area. So just have a wander there. It's not as hot today, but that could change when the sun breaks through the clouds. Sawadee khap. Arayna khap. Hello. Mai khao chai khap. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Ah. Okay, mai ao khap. Khap on. She's selling Mickey Mouse key rings. I don't know if to get one or not. Right, I'm going to have a look, pay the bill, I'm going to have a look in here, filming there, showing it's like nice and air-conned in there, quite a big place. There's 3 massage ladies ahead, keep looking over. But I'm a little bit full. Im Liao! Im Liao! So, inside, a few people eating. I'll not film them. So you've got quite a bit of seating area here, along the bar. So it's quite a spacious place. Quite a big bar area. Nice and cool as well. So a little bit of humour in the toilets. Some funny little postcard things. You can pause and have a look. Very funny. So a nice, clean and spacious toilet. Very good. Nice little restaurant. Hello. Already clicking.
Why you won't make me do?